In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add a YouTube video to your Mailchimp email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Mailchimp email. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new regular email campaign in Mailchimp. We select the new email builder, though if you prefer the classic builder, that's fine too. Next, we select our template. We are using a template we have saved earlier. Having selected our template, we drag a code block into position within the template where we wish our video to be featured. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. We locate our video on YouTube. We can use this video in our email by copying the URL of the video or by downloading it to our computer. To download to your computer, you'll need a premium YouTube account. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we name our video. We now upload our YouTube video from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting it from our folders. If you prefer, simply add the URL of the YouTube video into the video URL field and upload directly from YouTube. Next, we enter the width of our video at 600. We now select Upload Video. Our YouTube video will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the file. We have now successfully uploaded our YouTube video. We now choose how we are going to use the video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video to our Mailchimp template. We return to our Mailchimp campaign. We delete the code in the code pane and then paste the HTML snippet into the source code pane. Our video is now in position within our template. We can preview our video email to see how it looks on desktop and mobile. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. For details of the free trial of the Viewed Video Email platform, scan the QR code or use the link shown.